In this video, I will show you how to install and download Cinemana Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, don't subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video useful. If you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine and want to install the Cinemana Plus application to it, the first thing you might want to do is try to locate your App Store. Now, here's my App Store. I'm just going to try and come over here and launch my App Store and see how we're going to use it to search the Cinemana Plus application. So, for instance, once you come over here, this is my dashboard. This is how it looks like. To search for Cinemana Plus, I just have to come over to the search bar and then type in the keyword Cinemana Plus. Please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So I type in Cinemana Plus. Now, for the sake of time, I can just go ahead and type in Cinema now, and then maybe the option is going to pop up. Alright, so I'm going to type in Cinemana and I click on search. And maybe as you can see, this is the application Cinemana Plus pops in. So I'm just going to select it and then come over here and click the download button. It's in Arabic, and once you click on the download button, the application is going to be installed to your Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful.